I know that sounds bold, maybe even crazy. You're probably thinking, this guy's lost his mind. How could a knee push-up possibly connect to a handstand push-up? But stay with me, because I'm about to show you a hidden path most people never figure out. There's a progression, a series of steps. Each exercise teaches your body exactly what it needs for the next one. And here's the best part. You don't need to be some freak athlete, gymnast, or born with superhuman strength. You just need to know which steps to take and in what order. So today, I'll break it all down for you, step by step. And if you stick with me till the end, you'll see that handstand push-ups aren't just possible, they're inevitable. Step 1, knee push-ups. Let's start simple. I'm guessing you can already do at least one knee push-up. If not, no worries. I'll teach you the proper form right now. Get on your knees. Place your hands shoulder-width apart. Keep your body in a straight line from your. No sagging hips, no piking up. Lower your chest all the way to the ground. Pause for a second, then push back up with control. Your first goal, 8 clean reps, not 8 sloppy ones where you bounce off the ground. 8 reps where you own every inch of the movement. Master this, and we're ready for step 2. Step 2, negative push-ups. Now we're leveling up. Get into a full push-up position. Toes on the ground, body straight as a plank. Here's the key. You're only going down. Slowly lower yourself, taking 3 to 5 seconds to reach the ground. Keep your elbows tucked at a 45-degree angle, not flared out wide. Once your chest touches the ground, drop your knees, reset, and repeat. This is where you build real strength. Your muscles are fighting gravity every second of that descent. Your goal here, 6 clean negatives. At first, it'll feel brutal. You'll shake. You'll collapse faster than you want to. That's fine. Every time you try, your body adapts. Step 3, regular push-ups. Once negatives feel under control, regular push-ups will no longer be impossible. You've already earned your way here. Full push-up position. Lower your chest to the ground. Push back up, keeping your body straight as a board. No sagging hips, no piking up. Move as one solid piece. Target 10 strong reps. Once you can knock those out, you're ready for step 4. Step 4, pike push-ups. Now we shift the angle to prepare your shoulders, because the closer you get to vertical, the more your shoulders take over from your chest. Start in a push-up position. Walk your feet toward your hands until your hips are in the air, like an upside-down V. Bend your elbows and lower the top of your head toward the ground. Press back up. This move mimics the angle of a handstand push-up without the fear of falling. It's the bridge between horizontal and vertical strength. Goal, 8 to 10 clean pike push-ups. Control the descent. Touch the floor. Step 5, wall-supported handstand holds. Here's where fear kicks in. Most people never even attempt this step because the idea of going upside down feels terrifying. But listen, strength isn't the only barrier. Half the battle is mental. You're asking your brain to trust an impossible-looking position. Fear of falling, perfectionism, frustration, all of that kills progress faster than weak shoulders. That's why I always tell people, if your mind isn't clear, your body can't perform. That's where therapy, mindset training, even simple breathing exercises can make a huge difference. When your mind is lighter, your training feels sharper. Okay, back to the wall. Face away from the wall. Place your hands on the floor, shoulder width apart. Kick up gently until your heels rest on the wall. Hold the position. Breathe. Get used to being upside down. At first, just 10 to 15 seconds. Eventually, work up to 30, then 60 seconds. The goal isn't reps here. The goal is comfort and control. Step 6, Wall-supported handstand push-ups. Once you're comfortable upside down, we add movement. Kick up into your handstand against the wall. Slowly lower your head toward the ground. Take 3 to 5 seconds on the way down. Gently rest your head on the floor, then come down. At this stage, you're teaching your shoulders and triceps to handle serious load. Goal: 3 to 5 slow negatives. Don't rush. Every second under tension is building the strength you need. Step 7. Wall-supported handstand push-ups. Full reps. Now comes the breakthrough moment. Kick up into your handstand. Lower down under control. Then, press back up until your elbows lock out. Boom! That's your first real handstand push-up. At first, maybe you'll only manage 1. That's perfect. Over time, push for more. 2, 3, eventually, sets of 5. For most people, wall handstand push-ups are more than enough strength training. But if you want the ultimate challenge, you can remove the wall. Final words. So let's recap the hidden path. 1. Knee push-ups. Build the foundation. 2. Negative push-ups. Learn control. 3. Regular push-ups. Build strength. 4. Pike push-ups. Shift load to the shoulders. 5. Wall handstand holds. Conquer fear. 6. Wall handstand negatives. Load the muscles. 7. Wall handstand push-ups. Full power. 8. Freestanding handstand push-ups. Mastery. See? From one knee push-up all the way to a handstand push-up, it's not magic. It's not reserved for elite athletes. It's just a series of steps that you now know. So the only question left is, are you ready to flip your world upside down? Because I promise, you can do it.